Thank you.
Go, Lakey, go. Get the ball.
I'd do a lot better if Papa won't look me in the eye. Oh, way to throw it.
Oh, she can throw that ball. She can throw that ball.
Get the ball.
Uh-oh. Now we'll win.
Throw it. Throw it to Papa. Yay!
What'd you say?
Ball. Get the ball.
How old is she now?
19 months old.
Almost 2.
Yeah, should be 2 in April. Get it, get it, get it. Yay, Lagan! Yay!
She's gonna be ready to go to sleep when she gets home.
Uh-huh. That's the plan.
Come on, come on.
Sleep all the way home.
Yeah, I bet she will. You gonna throw me that ball? No, sir. I ain't giving you
She
no
paid no
ball.
attention to you, is she, Ju?
Who is that? Who is that?
Say, Papa.
And you say Papa?
Get the Papa. Here you go, thank you. Yay.
Here, June, say hello. I'm taking a video. Say hi. Say hello. I'm taking a video.
Hello.
That's
oh, it's so big. Be that kind, huh?
Yeah.
Hi, Sal and Adrian.
Hey, Sal and Adrian.
Come here.
They say hi, too, I'm sure. Oh, wait a minute. Let's see. Oh, look at that.
What is it?
She's giving it to him.
She what?
She'd given it to him.
Oh,
Get the ball.
She don't know it's behind her.
I'm tired now.
Hey, Lakin, right there.